Hello and welcome back to WooSell Services video. Previously we discussed how admin can create services by checking the admin demo. Then we discussed how Dukaan vendors can create service type products by checking the Dukaan demo, and now we will check the WC vendors demo and check how WC vendors can create service type product. So the button is available on the same sales page available on our site. One just have to hit on the WC vendors demo button. And the changelog and the documentation link is also available on the same sales page. One can check the documentation to get an idea what the plugin provides, what are the features, and where you will find the plugin setting. So let's move forward and check how WC vendors can create service type product. So we need to hit on the WC vendor demo button. It will be redirected to the sandbox where we have to hit on the launch demo and have to enter the name and the email address and hit on the proceed button. So it will take few seconds to prepare your sandbox and it will be available for 2 hours for testing. So the sandbox is now available and we have logged in as admin. We will find the plugin setting inside the WP plugin section on WordPress dashboard. So one can go through these settings. We have also discussed these settings in another video. In this video, we will check how one can create a service type product as a vendor. So for that, we will navigate to the user listing and switch to vendor. We will switch to this vendor. So vendor cannot access the backend dashboard, so they can create services from the WC vendors dashboard. Pro dashboard menu is available on the header, and if one have to check the service type products, so the service will be listed on the same shop page of WooCommerce, and we have also categorized that, so simply they can check the service type product by hitting on the category service. So these are the service type products, and from the pro dashboard vendors can create service type product. So let's create and check. One have to hit on the add product button. Now we will create a new service. We have to enter the product name, product description, short description you can enter as per your need. And I have selected the service category. One can set the featured image also. And I have to select the type service. Now the meta box is open for service. You can enter the estimated delivery date and the question you want to ask to the clients to start on the particular service, and I have to hit on the add new product button. So the product is created and I can view the product. Let's move back to the service, edit the service and enter the price also. So vendor can edit the service from the product listing, edit button. So the service is created. Now I will switch back to admin so that I can switch to another user, subscriber or customer and purchase the service. So I'll switch back to subscriber. And this in this step we will check how subscribers or customers can purchase the service. So they can purchase the service from WooCommerce shop. I've hit on add to cart, and now I will directly check out. You can enter these details, select the payment method and hit on the place order. And I am directly redirected to the single service conversation thread page, as I have enabled that option inside the WooSell Services plugin setting. Now I will fill the details so that vendor can start on the service. I've provided the requirement, and I will also drop a message, please start. And user can, this is a single conversation thread page, and user can check all his purchased services inside the WooCommerce My Account page service tab. It will list all the services purchased by this subscriber. Inside the notification tab, he will find his all the service notifications. So let's switch back to admin and then to vendor. And see how vendor can reply to these services and start working on that. They will also get the live notification. If they hit on that, they will directly redirect to the single conversation thread, service conversation thread, or they can move to the single conversation thread from the WooCommerce My Account page. And there's also an option inside the WC Vendor Pro dashboard. The service provider tab is available. It will list all the sold services. So from here also they can move to the single service conversation thread page and can start on the service. So this is the service. And vendor can drop a message here, he can ask questions here, and finally by clicking on it is a final delivery, they can send a final delivery. So this is how WC vendors can create services and customer can purchase those. So this is all about this video. If you have any queries, please drop a comment below. Meet you in the next video. Bye for now.